Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: passport page, flight number, and a clear selfie-ready environment. Once done, open the Visit Japan web app and sign in with My SOS or your email. This links your entry data. Make sure the app has camera and notification permissions so QR scanning and alerts work. You'll be prompted to upload passport info and a selfie. Do that now. This prevents delays at the airport and speeds up automated immigration processing when you arrive. Next, fill the arrival card fields precisely: flight number, arrival date, seat, and phone or email. Then complete the health questionnaire honestly. Once submitted, it links to your passport in the app. Upload a clear passport photo and a matching selfie for facial verification. This ensures biometric checks pass quickly at the gate. After reviewing every entry, save or finalize to generate your QR code. This QR is the key you present to immigration staff, so double-check it before you travel. Finally, arrive early and present the app's QR code at the immigration kiosk or to the officer. You'll be scanned and may complete a quick biometric match. This is why your selfie quality matters. If the QR code doesn't scan, reopen the app and regenerate the code, or be ready to show your passport and confirmation details. If issues persist, check camera and network permissions, confirm the passport name matches exactly, and ask staff to advise. These steps resolve most common problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.